Hello viewers, welcome to Learn Everything for Free. In this video, I'll be showing us how to open a position on Binance Futures. Okay, how to trade Binance. Okay, now the first thing you need to do is go to your future wallet. You have the home, you have the market, you have the trade, you have the futures, you have the wallet. So we're going to the future. Okay, the future wallet. Okay, among the, if you check down, okay, then I'm going to click on futures. Now after click on futures, the next thing you need to do is to now fund your future wallet. Okay, here's my future wallet. Okay, I want to fund my future wallet. How do you fund your future wallet? Now the first thing you do is to click on this arrow here, okay, where you see about $51 plus somewhere here. Okay, now that's what you need to click. Now you're gonna touch that button. Once you touch it, it takes you to this transfer window, okay, transfer page, where you need to transfer from either from any of the available wallet like spot wallet, the cross margin, the isolated and all that. So as you can see, we are transferring from our spot. That means if you have fund in your spot wallet, you can transfer to your future wallet. Now it could be that you have it somewhere else outside the spot. For example, if I to click this place and I'll see three other um, um, section where I can transfer or move fund from. So we have the spot, we have the cross, we have the isolated. So I'm going to select spot since I have the fund in my spot. Then you now choose where you want to send this fund to. So already by default you see USD margin, okay, margin futures, okay. Then you now select the pair. By default you are seeing USDT. So if what you want to be trading with is BUSD, you can scroll down and look for BUSD, okay, or BNB. So I'll leave it on USDT, which is the default. Then I'll enter the amount I want to transfer or move from my spot to this place. So let's say I'm transferring $1, okay, or let's say $10 for example. $10 from my, or let me make it $8 from my spot. So I will now click confirm. The next thing to do is to click on confirm. Now I've confirmed movement. Now so I've eventually moved fund to this place. So transfer successful. The next step we need to do now is to now select pair. Now I want to trade, right? Now I want to select the pair we want to trade with. Now you click on this section where you see the Tomo USDT. So maybe on your phone is BTC USDT, whichever one. So you select, click on it, and you choose pair. So let's say I want to be trading. Let's look for a token we can trade. Let's say I'm going for OP rather, optimism. I'm going to select optimism, for example. Okay. Then we have this section where we see amount. But before then, sorry. Okay, I've picked the pair. Now the next thing is to click on buy. But before we get to buy, we have this mode. Okay, mode. We have the isolated mode and we have the cross mode. So the trading mode, you click on this. By default, maybe what you'll be seeing is isolated. So you select either isolated or cross, whichever one you want to pick. So I'm picking cross. Then you adjust your leverage here. Okay. So then you now click select, okay, the trading type, if you're buying or if you are selling. The buy is to long, okay, long the trade, while the sell is to short the trade. So I'm leaving it on buy. Then go to limit now, okay. Limit order, let's say you want to trade, sorry, click here. Now let's not pick order, okay, order of the trade. Now you want to pick limit order or market order. So let's say I'm picking market order. So you can either choose limit order. Limit order is when you're given the signal to enter at a particular time or price, sorry, at a particular with a particular price. So I'm choosing market order. Then the amount of OP now, the amount of optimism I want to buy. So just quickly adjust this gauge. So as I adjusting it, take note of this section, okay? The cost, which is the price, you've seen it. So I want to enter with, let's say, just $1. Okay, $1.20. You can use either the plus, the negative, the plus, and the minus sign to adjust price too. So then you now come to your take profit and stop loss. Okay, now you can set your stop loss and take profit. Now the TP actually means take profit. So I'm going to take profit when it's going to hit 1.02, for example, or 1.03. Then stop loss, I'm going to put my stop loss at 1.0 1, okay, 001, for example. That's my stop loss. Okay, now I'll now scroll down to select buy. If you are shorting it, you click on sell, which is short. So once I click on buy, it will pick my order because I'm using market order. Okay, I'll click on buy. Now success. Now I've created a position here. Okay, I have a position here right now. So if you scroll down, I have so many settings. I have a position. When I scroll towards the ending, you see I've created optimism. Okay, so under the position, I have a position now. So you see my position, you see my other position. So I have now, I want to close this trade. Okay, now we've done that. Now so the next is to now close the trade. How to close the trade? It's very simple to close the trade. You just click on close position. Let's say I want to close the trade. I'll click on close position. Then after clicking on close position, you select. Okay, now let's try and close this trade. The optimism. Now I'm going to click on close trade. Under close trade, you just close. If you want to close based on percentage, now okay, you can actually close a particular trade, okay, via by choosing percentage. Let's say you want to close and pick just part of it and still remain in the trade, still maintain position. You select percentage, okay, and all that. So I'm just going to close this. There's nothing to do. I just click on confirm. Then I succeed in what? In closing the trade. So that's just how to place order on Binance. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and then follow us. Okay, goodbye.